Thank you. Thank you. That was me farting by Chopin.
My God, I shall cherish this forever. I say, Opie, I'll trade you this baseball for your souvenir bat.
Sure.
What did you learn?
Stewie, what are you doing?
Huh? Oh, Brian. Oh, there you are. I've been looking all over the table for you. You know, I'm going to tell you, this stuff you gave me was a lifesaver last night. I was out like a light. And, you know, normally I'm up 5 or 6 times to scream and defecate. But you know what? I slept straight through.
Stewie, I told you, there's alcohol in that. It's not for kids.
You're not for kids.